Hi guys, in today's video I am going to give you a mnemonic that will make it easier for you to memorize the surface ectoderm derivatives. So the mnemonic is HENA or henna. So H here stand for hair, E stand for enamel of tooth, epidermis of skin, epithelial lining of lens, conjunctiva, cornea and ciliary body of eye. E also stands for external auditory meatus and sensory part of the inner ear. It stands for exocrine gland like sweat gland, mammary gland, sebaceous gland, lacrimal glands, parotid glands, salivary glands, etc. N here stand for nail. A stand for anterior pituitary, that is Rathke's pouch, and it also stands for anal canal below pectinate line. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.